Hello everybody, Ben here, and today I'm going to be reviewing this, a Fleshman N-Gauge crane. I bought this crane for £20, which sounds quite expensive. However, it is larger than a normal wagon, and it's the only crane available in N-Gauge at the moment. The crane came in quite simple but nice and protected box, I would say. There's nothing really exciting on it, and there's a bit of information on the back, and there's a barcode and general things that you'd expect in a box, I would say. There's various different languages in the information, but as you can see there's some information there about the couplings, I think it is. Starting on the underside of the crane, there is a lot of detail, as it has planking detail as well as metal wheels. It also has a great way of allowing the couplings to move around, which is quite good for a wagon like this. On the actual crane itself, which is the green part, which is an interesting colour, but I think it looks okay for a British crane. I don't know what actual country it's meant to be from. It has a nice sized weight on one end, which is just plastic. Has a bit of detail on it, which is good. There is also a very nicely detailed, in fact, area along with some handrails that look a bit chunky in my opinion, but overall are pretty good, and there's plenty of details. Like there's even a handle that you can see that I think you might spin. That might make this crane go up if it was in real life. The crane is also able to be moved around, which is quite good if you want to pose it in dioramas. The actual crane itself can spin at 368 degrees, and the crane arm can also move up and down if you want it to do that, which is pretty good, and the hook of the crane can also move as well. This means that the same crane can be used to model different things in dioramas, or you can have it running on the layout, like in this train here for example. I think this crane is something like a 20 or 25 ton crane, which obviously means it can't lift locomotives and maybe a couple of wagons or a coach maybe if we got two of them. I think it would be on a train with a match wagon in front of the crane and a tool van to go behind it, and of course a brake van. It would also be able to be posed on various dioramas like this one here on screen. For example, if you wanted to make a model or a diorama of some sort of crash scene, if you wanted to, for example. Overall, I really like this crane, and I think it looks quite British even though I think it is a foreign crane. It's nicely detailed and is a decently sized wagon as well, and which I think it makes it good value and worth the £20 plus obviously postage that I paid for it from Osborne Models, I think it was, and I think it definitely would be good on any layout if you want to have a crane, because, well, there aren't any other options in N-Gauge, and they were sort of quite a useful thing to have, I think, on even main lines and branch lines as well. I hope you enjoyed this video by me. Please like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below with some video ideas or feedback. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.